Check it out, red fox waking up. He's looking right at me. This is our Northwest Trek. This is some I wasn't able to see last time I was here. Last time they were pretty well hidden. But this guy's right there. Hey, it's bad for the camera, Fox. By the way, can you tell me, what does a fox say? Is that a wow 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 song? I think that's what I heard they say. I think I hear they do like a wow wow song. Yippee, yip, howl, vixen. Yeah. This is my DJ. Like I'm trying to wake up. I think this is going to be a YouTube moment. There's not very many videos of these guys. Waking. Back down, wake up. Feel like me in the morning. Do I want to wake up now or should I sleep in a little bit longer? Because these guys not used to getting up early in the morning. Okay, yeah, thanks all for now.